Welcome to our journey into the Viking Age, a time of epic adventures, fierce, fierce warriors, and a whole lots of exploring. Today we are diving deep into the Viking story, making it easy for everyone to join in. So buckle up as we uncover the mysteries of the North Sea, legendary figures, and what happened after the Vikings. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Viking Area begins. Let's start by checking out the Viking area. It all kicked off in the 8th century because of too many people and some political issues. Vikings were awesome sailors, and they went on cool trips to places like England, France, and Byzantium Empire. Chapter 2. The Big North Sea Empire. Next, we're driving into the North Sea Empire, a super powerful place the Vikings made by winning battles and conquests covered a bunch of areas around the North Sea and left a big mark on history. Chapter 3. Different Viking cultures. Now let's talk about the different kinds of Vikings. The Danish ones were great sailors. The Norwegians explored and settled, and the Swedish Vikings went east. Each group brought their own cool stuff to Viking culture. Chapter 4. Viking Legends. Meet the big suits who made Viking history awesome. Ragnar Lothbrok sons were daring like Björn Ironsides and Ivar the Boneless. Harald Blåtand introduced Christianity. Knud den Hellige was a respected king, and Knud den Store ruled England and Denmark, where also Svend Tveskæg, the brave Danish king, and Håkon den Gode, known for being fair. Chapter 5. Viking Politics. Now let's talk about how Vikings did politic. They had different ways of ruling, from chiefs to kings. Understanding this helps us see how Vikings organized themselves while trying to be powerful and explore. Chapter 6. Life after the Vikings. After the Viking Age, we check out what happened in France and what came next. Things changed a lot. Who had power, how people lived, and what the Vikings left behind. Chapter 2. Looking back on Viking times. As we finish up, take a moment to think about all the cool stuff in Viking history, from the big North Sea Empire to the different Viking styles, the legendary folks, and what happened after the Vikings. Share your thoughts, subscribe for more cool history, and see you in the next adventure.